On the screen, we have an air conditioning unit that operates with R32 refrigerant gas. This part is the indoor unit, located inside the premises, also known as the evaporator. Inside it, we basically have a coil, a fan, R32 refrigerant gas, and the electronic control part. This part is the outdoor unit, located outside the premises. Inside it, we basically have a coil, compressor, capillary tube, fan, R32 refrigerant gas, and electronic control board. The indoor and outdoor units are connected by pipes. As we can see, the thicker pipe is where the refrigerant exits the indoor unit and reaches the outdoor unit. The thinner pipe is where the refrigerant returns from the outdoor unit to the indoor unit. The pressure of the R32 gas in the evaporator unit, indoor unit, during operation is approximately 129 pounds per square inch, psi. At this pressure, the temperature of the R32 gas inside the evaporator is around 5 degrees Celsius. Refrigeration technicians refer to this pressure as low pressure, and it is measured with the blue pressure gauge. Low pressure is not constant and varies, although very slightly, depending on the equipment's operating conditions. For example, on a sunny day with many people in the premises, the R32 pressure will increase slightly, but always stay close to the original value. On the other hand, on cooler days or with fewer people, the R32 pressure may decrease. Let's remember that the heat from people is absorbed by the R32 gas, providing occupants with a sensation of cold and comfort. This heat causes the R32 in the indoor unit to boil, meaning it changes from a liquid state to a vapor state. The heat absorbed by the R32 must be expelled outside for the system to continue cooling the premises. To achieve the operating cycle, the compressor sucks in the R32 gas in vapor state and takes it to the outdoor unit, condenser. In the condenser unit, the R32 releases heat into the environment. To improve this process, the compressor increases the pressure of the R32. Due to high pressure, as the R32 releases heat, it changes from a vapor state to a liquid state. The gas pressure after the compressor in the condenser unit generally exceeds 400 pounds per square inch, psi, and must be measured with the red pressure gauge. The R32 leaves the condenser unit in a liquid state, but with high pressure. Before returning to the premises to restart the cycle, the R32 must pass through the capillary tube. The capillary tube reduces the pressure of the R32 and, therefore, its temperature, returning the temperature to the value of 5 degrees Celsius. The R32 at low pressure and temperature returns to the evaporator unit to start a new cycle of heat absorption. R32 gas is highly efficient, but has the characteristic of being slightly flammable. If the air conditioning unit is installed correctly, it should not pose risks. The main problem with R32 is not only its flammability but also the high temperature it reaches at the compressor's outlet. To minimize the problem of high temperatures of R32 and ensure a long service life of the equipment, it is essential to perform preventive maintenance, including cleaning the condenser of the outdoor unit, at least every 6 months.